Hypothetically, let's imagine that aliens have invaded Earth. One comes knocking on your door and you welcome in him, sit him on the dining table, realize he can't eat so you don't offer. He then sees a little shaker of salt on your dining table. He asks you what this is and you explain to him, well, it's salt. We add it in most salty foods, in most savory foods, and it makes our food taste much nicer, much better. He very intriguingly asks, how much do you add? And you say, well, it depends person to person. Some people like more salt, some like less, but for me, if there is more salt in my dish, it really ruins the flavor. So he's very intrigued about this one tiny white thing that can make food taste or break it. So he asks you, well, can you please explain to me what salt tastes like? And you're like, well, it tastes salty. What does it really taste like? How do you explain to this alien what salt really is? I can't, can you? But very similarly, there is one thing mentioned in the 11th Eternal Guru that can't be explained, that we looked in another video as well. And the salt analogy works as a perfect example to this universe. Even after the 10 Gurus experiencing this power of salt in their terms, they cannot explain it to us because it is salt, it is an emotion, it is a feeling. And that's very interesting when you really think about it. But more interestingly is, if salt can make or break a small thing as food, imagine the power of this universal energy that we have to taste and feel.